How's everybody doing today? It's Christmas Eve day. Just got my feeder wagon filled up here. Stopped in here to get my protein, dry cow mineral, heifer mineral back there. I've already fed the cows, but we're going to load everything up tonight or this afternoon yet, so I got everything loaded for tomorrow for Christmas Day. Little kids don't like to wait to open their presents, but they always got to wait till chores are done, so we'll get TMR filled, we'll fill this back up, and I think I got to grind some feed and see if we can make a video out of it. Alright, got the mixer filled. I think I'm going to take the old hydro down and drop the oil in it. I like to clamp a vice grip on there, take it off the rest of the way. Keeps your hands clean-ish. Alright guys, this thing drained most of the afternoon. Not that it needed to, it just worked out that way. Dumped this, we had to do Christmas in the house here for my parents, and my sister and her family came down, so after chores now. So I'm gonna pop these filters off, change them. I should change this one. I like to change, that's a water filter. I like to change those once a year. See, these are wet sleeve motors, so if you get crap in your antifreeze and stuff, that'll erode the O-rings on those sleeves. So you keep these filters up, kind of helps avoid that. Someone spun that one on too tight. go. Making work for it. Alright, I was on here to get a marker and mark the hours and the date. I'll do the same on that when I change that, throw some oil in, and we'll go from there. I don't know if you can quite tell or not, there's like fog growing in the shed. It's like 48 degrees, been misting all day. Strange weather for Christmas Eve. Alright guys, there it is. Merry Christmas to me. Not really. It was a rental. My New Holland, the LS180 actually caught on fire the other day. So I was able to get the fire put out before it burnt up the whole machine, but boogered her up pretty good. So I sent that off to go get a estimate. Guy never really knows what to do with that. The thing's got over 9,000 hours on it. On the other hand, you can't touch a used skid loader. Or that's, you know, anything that's got, hell, even 3,000 hours on. You're looking $23,000, $24,000, $25,000. Geez, I bought those other two skids. I bought that LS180. Oh, I've probably had that 9-10 years, but had 900 hours on it, and I bought it for $19,700, I think it was. These skid loaders anymore, Jesus. Just an incredible amount of money. And tell you the truth, I'm not overly impressed with them. Probably especially this one. I know like Kubotas and John Deere's, their doors are different. They go up in. I think I would like that. I hate this door. If I got to feed a round bale or something, or I feed a round bale, I put the bale over top the feeder, I crawl out, cut the net wrap while it's up in the air. Oh, not with this thing. You can't get that door open if them booms are anywhere but all the way down. I don't know if you can get it open when it's all the way up or not. I haven't tried that yet, but just a pain. I'm sure if it was 10 below out, I'd really like that door, but at the moment, not in love with it. I do like on the back end, they opened her up pretty good. Now you can see really nice out of this. The 180 you can't see where the crap, especially at night. So 180 has the back lights right up here. And there's a crossbar back here for the booms, and you know, if you got the bucket up, you know, even a quarter of the way, that light just reflects off that and you can't see nothing. So they did make that a lot better. What really turned me off about this machine was in here, and something goes wrong on this thing. I don't know how you would work on any of it, even the alternator. Something as simple as the alternator, way down in there, you'd have to tear the machine half apart to get at that alternator. I don't even know where the starter is. You know, I've seen this cluster back here, and nope, don't want it. I'll rent it. I sure as hell won't buy it. You know, the inside of the cab's nice. Nice quiet machine. Nice having a radio and whatever, but as far as something I'd buy to keep long term, like, I'm sure if you bought this thing new and you're going to trade it off in a couple of years before anything started going wrong with it, probably be alright, but I don't know, I've never done that, and I've actually only ever bought one thing brand new. I bought my gooseneck flatbed trailer brand new. That's the only thing I've ever bought new. Well, not that there's anything wrong with buying new, but I hate spending money. I'm a tightwad. So anyways, that's the story what we got right now. Hopefully they can get that fixed up. I have been looking for another skid loader. You know, you run older skid loaders and you use them every day. And the 40XT, that's an awesome skid loader. I love that thing. I'd never sell it. That's, in my opinion, the XT series was the greatest case skid loader ever built. I'd love to find a 90 or a 95 to have for a third skid loader, and then possibly keep the 180. The only thing I really like about the 180 is it, you know, as you lift the booms up, they kind of go out, so it works nice for loading in the out of the pit and filling the mixer or whatnot. But anyways, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can fix that up for not too much money. I'm hoping I'll get a little insurance money out of it for the fire. The motor's pretty tired, so I wouldn't be surprised if I got to put a motor in it, but I think I can put a motor in it and be a lot farther ahead than buying, you know, something like this that's got, you know, 1,700 hours on it for, you know, $28,000. So we'll see what happens. So anyways, I guess we'll call this one good enough. Hope everybody has a good Christmas. Stay safe out there, and cheers. And catch everybody later.